Simply start the lab over here. So the lab has started. Now from here, just select this one. Okay. I've shared the link in the description. Just check it out. Now, first thing we have to update the bucket name over here. So here you can see the second one, bucket name. Copy it carefully and just replace it from here to here. Select entire content and simply paste over here and hit enter. So what we have done, we have used the existing bucket for static website hosting. It will just enable all the permissions and just host the website directly. So we'll just check the score. So this is how we complete the lab, and for other solutions, just check the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.